The iPad mini is a device that shouldn't exist. In a world where phones are getting bigger and tablets are trying to be laptops, the mini stands alone in a category of one. But as we sit here in 2026, the tech world is buzzing with a single question. Is the upcoming iPad mini 8 the greatest handheld computer ever made, or is it Apple's final goodbye to the small tablet? If you've been waiting to upgrade, or if you've ever wondered why a specific group of people is absolutely obsessed with this tiny screen, you need to listen very closely. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because what Apple has planned for the Mini 8 isn't just a spec bump. It's a total reimagining of what portable power actually means. Think about your daily life. Your iPhone is great for a quick text, but it's too small for real work. Your MacBook is powerful, but you can't exactly pull it out while standing in line at a coffee shop or lying flat in bed. This in-between space is where the iPad mini lives, and for the Mini 8, Apple is finally closing the gap between small and ultimate. The rumors are pointing toward a breakthrough that mini fans have been begging for nearly a decade. We are talking about the integration of an OLED promotion display. For years, the mini has suffered from jelly scrolling, that weird lag where one side of the screen moves faster than the other. With a 120Hz promotion OLED, that problem doesn't just go away, it gets obliterated. Imagine a screen so fluid, so vibrant, and so responsive that it feels like you're touching the pixels themselves. But why does this matter for the USA audience specifically? Because we are a mobile society. We travel, we commute, we drink overpriced lattes while checking stocks, and we crave efficiency. The iPad mini 8 is being designed as the ultimate field commander for your life. Under the hood, we are looking at the A18 Pro chip, the same silicon powerhouse found in the latest iPhones. This isn't just for playing games. This is for Apple intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't a gimmick, it's your personal assistant. Imagine holding a device in one hand that can translate a conversation, edit 4K video on the fly, and summarize a 50-page PDF while you're sitting on the subway. The Mini 8 is rumored to have a dedicated neural engine upgrade specifically to handle local, on-device AI tasks without needing a Wi-Fi connection. That is true independence. Now, let's talk about the design. The small tablet market is a graveyard of cheap plastic devices. The iPad mini 8 remains the only premium option. For the 8th generation, Apple is reportedly thinning the bezels even further, giving us an 8.7-inch display in a footprint that's actually smaller than the current model. It's the TARDIS of tech, bigger on the inside. And for the first time, we are hearing whispers of a titanium chassis option. Not only would this make the device lighter than a paperback book, but it would make it nearly indestructible for the hikers, pilots, and doctors who rely on the Mini as their primary tool. Speaking of tools, let's address the Apple Pencil Pro 2. The iPad mini has always been the best digital notebook ever created. It's the size of a Moleskine, but it holds 1,000,000 pages. With the Mini 8, the integration is going deeper. We are looking at a new haptic engine in the screen that mimics the feel of paper. When you draw, you'll feel the tooth of the paper. When you write with a fountain pen tool, you'll feel the flow of the ink. For students in the US,